experiment on two identical transformers. The experiment name is Sampner test. The main aim of this experiment is to determine the efficiency of individual as well as efficiency of combined transformers. So if you want to conduct any experiment, we need to have a setup. This is the setup from which we can conduct the Sampner test on two identical transformers. There are two transformers with a capacity of 230 volts slash 230 volt and 2 kVA transformers. If you want to conduct, we should have a proper circuit diagram. So that circuit diagram you can see here. This is the circuit diagram of the Sampner test. We need the circuit diagram as well as we need a set of apparatus. So you can observe here the set of apparatus which are required to conduct Sampner test. So this is about the apparatus as well as the circuit diagram. With the help of this circuit diagram, we can make the connections. You can see here the connections are made as per the circuit diagram already with proper components which are used in this experiment. Okay. So with the help of circuit diagram as well as the components, we can make the connection. Now we will start how exactly the Sampner test can be conducted on two identical transformer. Okay. You can see here we are having a main supply. So we can check the position of the auto transformers, whether the position is 0 or not. Now is it at 0? This is a first auto transformer which is using in the experiment, and we are having another auto transformer. We need to check the position of the auto transformer. Now, if it is 0, no problem. If it is not 0, we need to bring it back to 0 position. Now everything is okay. Now we can start the experiment. So first step is we need to switch on the main supply with the help of MCB and push button. Now we can get the single phase supply. So with the help of first auto transformer, we can apply the rated voltage to the primary of the single phase transformer. So slowly we can increase. The rated voltage of the auto transformers is 230. So we need to apply 230 volt. So here we have selected the range as 300 volt. So we need to read the lower scale. Okay. So first we need to apply the 230 volt. Now is it 230, 220, 240, in between that is 230. With respect to this 230 volt which is applied across the primary of the transformers, we are getting here the current as well as wattmeter. So those should be taken and put it in tabular column. So this is the observation table. So in this we need to take three values: voltage, current and power values. So those can be taken from the 3 meters. This is the voltmeter is in 230 and current is, we have taken the range of the ammeter as 0 to 1 ampere. So we need to read the lower, it is 0.3 and 0.37 and wattmeter is 50. So those can be put it in this observation table: 230 volt and 0.37 ampere and wattmeter is 50 watt. So we need to take one set of reading, right, first, and after that with the help of another auto transformer, right. So we need to apply the reduced amount of voltage to get to the rated current in the ammeter. Before that we need to check, right. So the value in the voltmeter which is connected across this switch, we are using one switch here. This should be at off position initially, and after that we need to connect one voltmeter across this switch. If it is showing 0, that is the voltmeter across the switch it is showing 0, no problem, we can continue the experiment. If it is not showing 0, right, sometimes it may show 230 plus 230 460 volt. At that time polarities of both the transformers are not same. If it is showing 0, polarities of the transformers are same, we can continue the procedure. Okay, now we can close the switch. We can close the switch, and with the help of another auto transformer we need to apply the reduced voltage to the setup. But before that we need to have the rated current of the transformer. So rated current of the transformer can be calculated from the voltage and the kVA rating. kVA rating of the transformer, each transformer is 2 kVA, and voltage of primary and secondary is 230 volt, right? So with the help of this we can calculate, that can be calculated as current is equal to kVA rating into 1000 divided by voltage. So we will get 8.69 for this. So with the help of the another auto transformer we need to apply the reduced voltage to get the rated current in the ammeter. We need to observe the ammeter here. So we need to get 8.69. So now it is 8.69. So with for this value we will get the voltage, right, which is applied across the secondary of the transformers. We are getting 41.9 voltage and current 8.69, and wattmeter reading is 160 or 165. You can take 163 here, right? So those can be put it here. 41.9 volt, current is 8.69, and wattmeter is 1. Wattmeter reading is 150, 163. All right, 163. Okay, so we need to take two set of readings. So we can see here these readings are similar to the OC test readings, and these readings are similar to the SC test reading, as we have conducted OC and SC test on single phase transformer. So here we can conduct OC and SC test on the transformers at a time. So the main intention is to determine the efficiency of individual transformer, transformer 1 and transformer 2 separately, and we can calculate efficiency of combined transformers. Combined transformer, as from this circuit diagram you can see here, primary of both the transformers are connected in parallel, and secondaries of the both the transformers are connected in series via the switch, right? So first we need to apply the voltage across the primary of both the circuit, that is we are applying 230 voltage, which is a rated voltage of the transformer, and after that with the help of another source and a single phase auto transformer we need to apply a reduced amount of voltage to the secondary of the transformer to get the rated current in the ammeter, that is 8.69 ampere. So like this we need to conduct the Sumpner test on two similar transformer, and we need to take the readings, and finally we can calculate the efficiency and of the efficiency of a single transformer, that is individual transformer, or we can also calculate efficiency of the combined transformer. With the help of this formula we can calculate efficiency x into kVA into 1000 into power factor divided by x into kVA into 1000 into power factor plus W1 W2, this is W2. So these two values can be taken from this table. W1 is nothing but the wattmeter reading, it is first wattmeter reading, and W2 is second wattmeter reading, those can be taken and put it here. If you take W1 and W2 values directly, so if you substitute in this formula, the calculated efficiency is nothing but efficiency of the combined transformer. If you want to calculate efficiency of individual transformer, at that time we should take here, instead of W1 we should take W1 by 2, and instead of W2 we should take W2 by 2 for individual transformer efficiency calculation. If you want to calculate combined efficiency, we need to take W1 and W2 as iron loss and copper loss respectively. So like this we can calculate efficiency of individual and combined transformer by conducting Sumpner test on two similar single phase transformers.